gonna make a rice ball and the Japanese Onigirazu. That's like a rice sandwich.
That's kind of a modern take on a rice ball.
Yeah. Okay, fruits, I'm gonna fry the meat, soak in a teriyaki sauce.
Okay. Thin slice so it doesn't take very long to fry. Basically just cook it until the red disappears, which is about 2 to 3 minutes. These are the ingredients for our rice ball sandwich. And you can really put anything in them that you want.
Yeah.
First we're going to start with a rice ball.
Okay, this one is make 2 rice balls. You can buy almost any Asian market. Okay, you put the water on it, both sides. And then put the rice inside. But
Fresh.
this rice, you have to cool down fruits. You cannot use the hot one because the rice get too hard and I have to make a bowl.
It's fresh rice, but you got to let it cool.
Yeah.
Made in the famous rice cooker, or you can do it on the stove.
And you put the half, and you put that seaweed kombu already have a flavor.
Again, sold in a package in,
Asian market.
what's it really called? What's its name?
Tsukudani kombu.
Tsukudani Kombu.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and they put more rice in there.
This is the easy way to make a rice ball, but
Yeah.
it sure is helpful.
Yeah, and they stay not like a hard or soft ball.
Yeah.
Stick.
And they're nice looking too.
Yeah. Okay.
Put the lid on and squeeze.
Squeeze. And then you take out. Put a little bit hand in the water, put a little bit in the soap, and then make that.
Finish off the shape,
Yeah.
and you also add salt to the
Yeah.
outside. You can see the rice ball maker, those little bottom plates come out.
Yeah. Okay. That's
So the secret is adding that salt.
okay. Yeah. Okay. Next one, I go put the ume inside. Plum. Pickle plum.
Yep. Japanese pickled plum. Kind of sour, but in rice ball it tastes really good. Probably my favorite.
Okay. Like pickle in the middle.
Yep. You already took out the seed out of the ume.
And I put more rice. The top. And I do same.
And the fun part, smash it.
Squeeze. Okay. Then you put the salt in the hand and then make a rice ball.
And if your hands are wet, that's good. Otherwise, the rice might stick.
Yeah. The hand and then make a rice ball. If you use this one, all you can make the same size.
Yep.
Okay, this one I'm gonna put the mark on it. That's the ume.
Ah, smart.
So that way don't mix up.
You can tell which kind you're having because it has a little outside mark.
And this one is the ume.
Hmm?
Hi. Next, Onigirazu with the like Japanese rice sandwich.
Okay. Modern version of a rice ball.
Yeah. Put the rice in here a little bit.
Kind of layered.
Yeah. lettuce in there. And that teriyaki meat you put in there. Okay.
And I bet you're going to put more rice on top.
A little bit rice in the more top.
Not quite as much as you would think, though. A thin layer on top.
Yeah. Put it like this.
Mm-hmm.
Mash it. And they got one seaweed, big seaweed.
Mm-hmm.
And you see the corner, so you try to come this one in the corner, like this. Okay, so you can wrap it.
Okay.
Okay. No. Yes, I don't put enough water.
It
Yeah,
came out. Make sure you put water in your container before you start.
And you put it like this.
Roll it up in a little package.
And put a little bit of water, stick.
A little bit of water for glue.
And put it here.
If you're not a fan of seaweed, you could always eliminate this step. But you'd still need to add some salt maybe.
And that's the Onigirazu.
And you'll see when it's cut open how it looks. Very nice.
Okay. You see that this is seaweed cut in the half. And they come like this. And you put this one in the middle. And they hold it.
Right? Yeah.
And they hold it both sides.
Right before serving, you add your fresh seaweed.
Put a little bit of water. Oh, I guess it don't stick. That's okay.
If you put the seaweed too early, and then refrigerate it, it's going to get soggy, the seaweed. Still
Yes.
good, but okay.
Okay, next one, seaweed kombu. Put in here, and put like that. And
Hmm?
ume and the kombu.
Now you
Now.
see why we put the sample in the top so you can tell which is which.
And this one now I'm gonna cut it. Middle way you cut, you get meat in the top.
Dip your knife in water. And there's your sandwich rice ball.
Yeah. Also, you can put anything. You can put the ham,
You could put egg in there,
yeah, spam.
kind of a scrambled egg thing.
Yeah, anything you
Yeah,
can put.
you could even
inside.
make it like a morning breakfast egg McMuffin, except
And you can,
just put the egg and
yeah.
ham in
Okay.
it. Mhm.
And you put the Japanese pickle, Takuan. That they sell at the market.
Yep.
Okay.
And there's your meal. Rice balls, which are moving. And there you are, rice balls, old style and new style. Enjoy Hyoko's Kitchen. Please subscribe.